How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of deactivating your Instagram account. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Instagram app on your device. Once you are on the official homepage, locate the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Tap on it. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top of the screen. A menu will appear. Head towards Settings and Privacy in the menu. Tap on Account Center. Under Account Settings, find and tap on the Personal Details tab. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. In the Account Ownership and Control section, find the Deactivation or Deletion option. Enter it. Choose the account you want to deactivate. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you wish to deactivate. For me, it's the second one. Within the Accounts menu, select Deactivate Account, tap on Continue. To proceed with deactivation, enter your account password. Once done, tap on Continue. Select the reason behind your deactivation. In my case, I just need a break, so I will select the first option. Scroll down and tap on Continue. Confirm temporary account deactivation. Tap on Deactivate Account. And there you have it. You have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. Remember, deactivating is temporary. So if you change your mind, you can easily reactivate it by logging in from the official Instagram login page. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.